to Vermont Lavender. Thank you for joining me today. This short video, I'm going to show you how I package these. So I just lay them out like that. Then I stuff it full with the crinkle paper. I have my little plastic cover, and I'm going to slide that right over here, making sure that the crinkle paper doesn't cover any of the shower steamers. And I do have the shower steamers where you're able to actually have a little bit of plastic here that you can just tear it right off, so it's easier for the customer. So you just slide that over like this, take out any extras. So this is the elastic band right here, and that's how I tie it on right there. And then I'm going to put on my little label, and this is something I made. I'll leave the link for the tag puncher down below if you're interested in making your own tags. And then I just put that on the back of it. And I print these up by using my Moonbeam printer, and I'll have a video on that coming up pretty soon. Then I just tie it in here like this, and these are 4 inches, this little ribbon. And just tie it around there like that. And I just tie it in a little knot. So here you go. This is one way to do it, and it has a nice little pattern on the back of it. And then this is the other way. So it's a nice way to actually package your shower steamers. And also, like I said, if it doesn't sell, I can add in, I take this out and I can add in some new ones, and to keep it nice and fresh. So it doesn't utilize any of this, and I could use this box for something else because, you know, they don't always sell. I'm making quite a few of them, so hopefully they do. If you are interested, I'll leave the link of these Tulip gift box shower steamers in the description box below. And thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel get out there in the YouTube algorithm. And the next video to watch, if you're interested, is how I make these shower steamers, and I also will have a demo on them too. All right, thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.